Hey guys, video on some truck upgrades. Finally got my wheels in that I've been talking about for about a month now. They took forever, and got my towing mirrors as well. Figured I'd do a quick video showing you the finished look. I like them. I picked these out of the catalog as soon as I saw them with the color. They got this kind of almost the same color as the truck, a little grayer, but they kind of have that blue tinge to them, grayish tinge, grayish blue. And I got some all-terrain AT3 Wild Peak Falcon tires, kind of a similar to like a BFG. Really nice thick depth, tread depth on them. So pretty happy with that. And I got them in a decent offset, so they pretty much are nice and even with the fender flares. They don't stick out any more than that to keep it legal. But yeah, I think they look great. And on top of that, I upgraded my mirrors to these towing mirrors that are extendable. They've got the heated option as well as the blinker, the LED blinker in there and outside here. I'll go ahead and show you how that works. Yeah, I think that looks really good. So here's the leather seat interior upgrade. Pretty sure I've already showed you guys that, but looking really nice. Got the center cup holder, and could use a little wipe down, but I think they came out really good. Like I said, these have the 8-way power, and now with the mirrors, let me turn the key on, and you can see you've got the LEDs that blink right there, as well as outside, which is a great safety feature when you're passing and you got somebody next to you. They see that blinker come on, they know that you're trying to change lanes. So that's about it for this video. Tell me what you think in the comments. You like these wheels? You think they fit the truck well? I think they look really good. You know, this is stock height. I just have the torsion bars. They're turned, I think, maybe 4 turns up just to raise the front up a little bit. I do like the back to be a little bit higher, for the simple fact that when you hook up to a trailer, I have a little bit of a load in the truck, which is most of the time being in landscaping. Then the truck is level, you know. In other words, if you level it unloaded, when you go to put a load on the back, then it does that squat where it looks like it's doing a wheelie, and I hate that. So but, yeah, I think it looks really good. Let me know what you think, guys. All right, have a good one.